It's our time to shine. Yo, that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off the goose, yeah. Thinking that I'm too pop. Getting caught with a few thoughts cause I'm too lost. Off the speakers can't even handle me. Giving what I got, nobody's gonna drain my energy. And I will never stop. I'm motivated by enemies. Setting up shops.
So what is up, guys? So we are here in Talakag and we are going home to our province, to our place, to our province. Alright. Yo, no? Nadali mo, sir. Alright. Let's start our journey. But first, kain muna tayo, guys. Alright. Itong gloves, lagay muna natin ito dito. Naman. So guys, meron pala tayong nilagay dito, guys. Ito yung auxiliary light. Auxiliary light, guys, ito. Dito, guys. Unfortunately, guys, during our travel, biglang bumigay siya, guys. Hindi na siya umandar. Kaya pagdating natin doon sa ano natin, i-check natin to, guys. Nandito na si Chito Miranda. Check natin, guys, oh. On natin yung domino switch. Yun, no? Ayaw niyang umandar, guys. So, ano kayong nangyari dito? Pila bayad nimo sa paglimpyo, anak dam? Mahal ko sa yung paglimpyo.
Pwede man 20, sir.
Pwede na 20? Sige. Ilista lang ha, kaya sunod balik ka na mabayaran. Say hi. Nama kay TikTok. Please follow me on TikTok.
Please follow me TikTok. My name is Ayesha7.
Ayesha7? Yes, sir. Alright. Init, guys.
Super hot. Padulong na kami sa Kapatravel. Hi. Ito ang silingang London. Shout out kay Hazel.
Shout out kay Hazel. So mag-lunch muna tayo, mga lods. Time check, guys. It's 12:14 in the afternoon. Wala pa kaming kain, guys. Ang weather natin ngayon is very good.
And mga kami sa Cali 4 mag-snack.
As Cali 4 dito. Maniod to, mantagod.
Pagkaman, Cali 4 data.
Dili pa rin kag busog, ana. Wala pa rin kag nabusog, ana. Kaam nagbulalo. Bulalo is real, guys. Bulalo is real. Ay, naman ko camera dito, front camera. Lagay na natin itong front camera, guys. Check muna natin kung mayroong battery dito.
Ako dala, anak.
Check ito na yung battery. Bisaya kami, guys.
Inyo ka diya.
Oh, Scully. Wala man yung audio. Andito na si Chito Miranda. So let's go, guys. Bulaluan tayo, guys. Let's go, madlang peeps. So kain muna tayo, guys, before tayo mag-travel, guys. Naman. Trip niya lang. Trip niya, ito siya munong. So guys, punta kami ng Bulaluan, guys. Kain tayo ng lunch. It's 12, almost 12:30. Almost 12:30 na tayo, lads. So medyo gutom na tayo. Medyo gutom pa nga. Dahan-dahan tayo kasi hindi natin alam kung saan ang daan. Baka tayo ay mawala nang mawala. Even though I shout out sa SKRC dito sa Talakag. Alam ko marami kayo dito eh. SKRC lang malakas. Sa mga naka-sniper dyan na wala pang club, or kahit na meron kayong club, you're free to join Snipers Riding, Sniper King Riders Club. Alright, just comment below kung paano mag-join, or follow me on Facebook at Pretty Boy Moto sa Facebook. Alright, so what is up guys? So ito pa. So on the way kami ngayon sa Cagayan. So time check, it's 1 in the afternoon. So it's 1 in the afternoon mga lods. Hindi kami nakakain dun sa Bulaloan, dun sa sentro ng Talakag. Kasi naubusan ng bulalo guys. So maghahanap kami ng makakainan. Alright, yung kalangitan guys is makulimlim na naman, no? Malapit ng umulan. So sana mawala na yung dagom na yan. Pag Bisaya ka lang, pwede ram zero Bisaya, no? Alright guys, so padulong kami Cagayan, no? Ngita ay bulalo, ngita may kanan kay nahutdan magudto sa sentro dito. Sa noon las 12 launa naman po dapat. So paggawas na Talakag guys, Bisaya vlog ta guys. So paggawas ng Talakag, muna yung checkpoint guys, oh. Kung musunod mong Talakag guys, kung papasok kayo dito kayo dadaan. Alright. Sige, medyo stricto sila guys, no? Tine-check talaga yung ano guys, yung travel pass or medical tuba. Dahan-dahan lang tayo guys. Nainay lang tayo kay Sudna. I'm scared, you know. So update lang pala ito sa auxiliary light natin guys. Try natin ipaayos dun sa Cagayan pag may time. Pero hindi, doon tayo babalik tayo dun sa pinagkakabitan nito kasi hindi na siya umandar ng maayos eh. Kain tayo mga lods, malapit na tayong mapasmo. So mga lods, update ko lang kayo later kapag nandun na tayo sa kainan. Kainan. Alright, see you later. Ciao.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we ways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll
Natutulog yung nasa checkpoint, guys. Ang himbing ng tulog niya. Char. Time check, it's 1:14. Alright. So medyo na ano na tayo, guys, no? Napasmang na tayo, guys. Buwasan na tayo ang timbang. The weather is so nice because it's not okay. English na punta, guys. Manatag Bisaya, manatag Tagalog. So what's up, guys? So it's me again. If you like my content, please do click that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that every time that we uploaded new vlogs or new videos, you are notified. So guys, we are on our way to a place where we can eat. Although the place is very far, I think I hope it's worth it. So we are on our way to Cagayan de Oro City, and we are finding a place to eat because it's already 1:16 in the afternoon and we haven't eaten our lunch yet. So, alright. Pwede mo rin ako in English then. So guys, if you don't know me, if you don't know me yet, so my YouTube channel's name is Pretty Boy Vlogs PH. Now, the question is, why is it called Pretty Boy? Well, why am I called Pretty Boy? Am I pretty? No. Because guys, right, focus na tayo sa daan. Wait. Because guys, in my name, there is Floyd in my name, you know, Floyd. And you know, if you search Pretty Boy Floyd in the Google, you will find there, okay? And that's how my name started. Easy. Merong Floyd, meron siyang Floyd, meron din akong Floyd. Yun, wasak. So what is in my YouTube channel? So in my YouTube channel, guys, you can see there lots of travel vlogs, and mainly travel vlogs because, you know, I'm not good in tutorials. I am also not good in reviews, but still, maybe as time goes by, we can include them in our content, in our daily content. So why not coconut? Alright, palugsong. Bumaba na tayo, guys. Ay, sorry, we are going down. Pardon me for my English. So guys, maybe in the near future we are going to include product reviews, maybe some tutorials. Alright, so how I wish that, you know, this pandemic will end so that we can roam around freely, you know, and put some more quality content in our YouTube channel. Alright, so nevertheless, I don't know the meaning of nevertheless. So I believe we are almost there to our destination. I think this is it. I think this is it. So we are here, guys. Okay. Alright. Dito na tayo, guys. Napakalayo ng ating destinasyon, no? Para kumain lang. Alright, guys. Update ko lang kayo later. Bye-bye. 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 Wala kaya RM eh?
RM? Ha? Baboy na? Wala baboy lagi. Ano ko yung baboy, ma'am?
RM duha. Pila na RM?
Saan RM?
Kahit sino, kaya may baboy.
Chicken J, man yun?
Ha?
Ayaw? Chicken J ka? Thank you.
Muna yung kanan pa? Kaya kanan pa. Sabi lang ko dito.
Ah, dito? Kawan ng puto bilang ko.
May bulalo may?
Taga-tuod.
Pag-ulit, dito na po.
Salay.
Aldex. Double ba?
Murag sa landing ba? Landing ba? Nasa nilirot na.
A few moments later.
Katatapos lang namin kumain, mga lods. Alright, katatapos namin kumain. Sarap ng bulalo, guys. Mahambos Cave, Bayanga. So guys, we're here in Makahambos Cave. Pasok tayo sa cave.
Palakahan naman na. Kanang dilipikas, that end mo na.
Ano mag-horror train?
Picture ka. Ano sa isa?
Ya bos, saya ko dia.
Ano dito?
Hagdan ni mo nga. Tanya hagdan, ikis. Ayo bos.
Ha?
Perkiraan.
Ano?
Pot up.
Ito din.
Wan. Nanti cek ke pintu hagdan. Sama kau di sana bakal kau di.
Hapit tagbong. Hapit tagbong. Hi vlog.
Shoot kami menyanyo.
Diyan na naman.
Alay.
Nahulog ang cellphone, guys. Makulimlim ang langit, mga lods. Sana hindi umulan mamaya. Try natin ipagawa itong auxiliary light natin, mga lods. Tao.
Bye-bye.
Let's go. Alright, Lods. So on the way naman kami ngayon sa Lods, dun sa Cagayan. Papagawa tayo ng auxiliary light. Try natin kung makaya ba. Kung hindi, wag na lang. Doon na lang sa atin. First time natin dito, Lods.
Conquer your fear.
First time natin dito, Lods.
Drive and follow. Just follow and drive. Nandito yung family savings bank, oh.
Dito tayo sa Kugon, Cagayan de Oro, Lods. Dito tayo sa Cagayan de Oro, Kugon.
Oh, open ba na yan?
Open pa na eh. Turn right.
Na tayo sa Kabayo.
Dinner time. Gasyong, kita ka na nga view. Yo, no. Bawal lang dito. Anyway. Wala mo tayo vlogging camera, ming. Maron itong gamit, ming. Kira?
Okay, mas ka.
Mapangok yung sinig kami sa gabi eh. Basta ang biyahe, ming. Saan yung gabi, araw? Saan lugar, ming? Nitaw. Nitaw pa, guys. Time check, it's time check. 6:04 na, guys. Alright, guys, dinner time. Pumapatak na naman ang ulan. Hindi kami makabiyahe. Na-stranded kami dito. Ulan pa more. Ulan. Kapit tayo, guys. Copy ka, brown.
A few moments later.
What's up, guys? So what is up, guys? Time check. It's 10 in the evening. So sa wakas nakauwi na kami dito, guys. So thank God for our safe travels and more troubles to come. Makauwi kami dito, guys, at exactly 10 in the evening. So as you can see, nakapangbahay na ako. Sa Kalam. 8:45? 10 ano to? Basta mga almost 10. Alright, so guys, that's it. See, 10. Basta almost 10 na kami nakarating, guys. So that's it. Hope you like my video. Subscribe. Bye!
Rising up like a phoenix, been tired of pushed down a crowd.